You want to make a delicious snack with minimal effort? Introducing beer battered onion rings. From the crisp outer layer to the soft inner texture, these onion rings will be a hit at your next party. Don't let the complexity of beer battered onion rings scare you off. Today I'll be walking you through a step-by-step guide on how to make a delicious beer battered onion ring with minimal effort. Add vegetable oil to an electric skillet and heat it for 350 degrees. Set aside some flour in a bowl, and we're going to peel and cut the onion. Cut the onion into about half-inch slices. Once you got your half-inch slices, push out the layers to make your rings. Put your onion rings in a bowl with flour and dredge them in the flour. For the beer batter, we're going to use some more flour, paprika, some salt, white pepper, garlic powder, dill. Mix all that together. Add your beer about half at a time. Whisk it together, and the rest of your beer. Keep whisking. Eventually you'll want this to be about the consistency of heavy cream. I'm going to take a few of the onion rings that are dredged in the flour, put them into the beer batter, cover, and put them into the oil, heating to 350 degrees. You want to make sure to let as much of the beer batter drip off as possible before putting it into the oil. Once in the oil, we'll cook it for about 5 minutes, flipping halfway through. After 5 minutes, pull them out of the oil, put them onto a paper towel, let them dry out. By now you should have a better understanding of how simple it is to make beer battered onion rings. With a few crafty ingredients and the proper technique, you can easily make a tasty snack with minimal effort. So go ahead and give these beer battered onion rings a try. You won't be disappointed. If you'd like to take your beer battered onion rings to the next level, why not leave a comment to let me know what creative ingredients you've used or how you plan on serving it. Or share this video with all your friends. Who wouldn't want to learn how to make a snack as delicious as beer battered onion rings?